What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker pickup video. All right, this one is one that I missed and one that I wanted really bad when it dropped last year, and I was able to find it at a pretty reasonable price considering the shoe. So I went ahead and copped it, and big ups yet again to StockX, right? Let me tell you a quick backstory. I ordered this shoe from StockX, but there was a different shoe that I was planning on showing you all. And I mentioned that this is going to be one that I wanted a while ago, years ago, that I couldn't get. And I ordered this particular shoe, and StockX hits me up after the shoe was sent to them, and they told me about the authentication process and that the shoe failed their test. And at first I'm like, man, I really wanted that shoe. That's kind of disappointing that the shoe that I really wanted, one of the shoes that I would consider in my top most wanted shoes, I couldn't get it. And that shoe was the Bel Air Jordan 5, right? I figured I had it. I thought I finally had it in my grasp. StockX hits me, says that the person's shoe did not pass their test. But at the same time, I felt like, that's awesome, man, because if I wouldn't have used StockX, then I would be sitting with a pair of fakes. Like, right now. I'd have a pair of fakes. So I know, I think I've read stories where somebody said that they still got some fakes from StockX, but I truly appreciate the fact that there is a verification process, because who knows, you might have bought something from eBay thinking you got a good deal and it's fake. So let's get into today's pickup, man. Let's go back into 2015. I got this shoe. This is Doernbecher. This is the LeBron 13 DB, right? I've done a video on this one before. This is actually the right shoe. Excuse me if you follow this channel, you know what I'm about, but this is the right shoe, right? DB13, right? So this was the first DB that I got, done by my main man. I hope it's Kian. This is the first DB that I ever owned right here, right? So let's fast forward. Oh, man, a lot of kicks up there. To now. Got this in today. Man. And another DB box. And these are the Nike Air More Uptempo 96 DB, size 14, of course. That colorway is Blue Jay, Gem Red, and a bunch of other stuff in different languages. Alright, so there's that for you all. And man, when these came out last year, man, I had to have them, man. I had to have these. I wanted them, and I just, I didn't luck up. Didn't get these. So you all that follow the Doernbecher series every year, you know how these work. These were created by Mr. Brody Miller. His age is 11, and his diagnosis was complex brain malformation, and the shoe that he created was this Air More Uptempo, Dreams All In. You see the man right there. And it looks like, I was going to say he's holding the left one up, but it made me laugh if he would do that. Let's put that to the side. And this is the StockX receipt for all you receipt boys out there. And here is the StockX stamp of approval the card that comes in all StockX purchases. Uh-oh. We can't, man. They know how I do it, man, and they not letting me do it. I'm gonna have to show y'all the right one, but of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I had to have these boys right here, man. I had to. One of my favorite model of sneakers, the Uptempos. I absolutely love the Uptempos. As soon as I saw this one, when the DBs were announced last year, I said, I'm going for it. I don't care about any of the other ones. I'm going for this one. I took an L. at the time of release, but good folks at StockX held me down, paid my money. Transaction was simple. Verified, authentic. Boom. If y'all can see that, if it focuses, verified, authentic. After I took that L with the Bel Air 5s, it made me respect StockX more. It made me ease my mind when I purchased, knowing that there is the chance that something could be fake, and they'll be like, hey man, hold up, this is fake. We ain't sending that to him. Send him his money back, send you your shoes back, you keep your fakes. We're gonna send him his bread back. We ain't gonna do him like that. So I appreciate StockX for that, man. But here you see the G there on the front. There is a, let me lower that piece of the tongue. There's a G. And then there's a Thunderbolt there. These, okay, so in Brody's world, his rare brain condition is a villain he battles every day. So he dreamed up his very own alter ego, the Generator Man, which is what this G stands for, to help him in the fight. This aspiring comic book artist says his shoe will inspire everyone who wears it to channel their inner superhero. Big ups to Brody for that. Big ups to Brody for that. Let me take this out. Brody did a damn good job, man. Brody did a damn good job. On the inside there, you got the word brave spelled out there on the inside with that yellow interior. Looks like there's some tree action going on in there on the inside around the leathering. Very nice touch. Your red Nike check there on the back. You got your red air unit down there. The air bubble around on the inside of that is all red, and then yellow as you get closer to the front. This is 3M on the front here. This is 3M. Let me see if I can show that to you all with a little flash action as I pull out the Pixel 2 XL. So, boom. Alright, so on the picture, you will be able to see that the front, the toe box area is a little white there. So 3M on the toe box area there, very nice. Got your translucent blue bottoms there. Oh man, so dope, man. With your red Nike check again, your red Nike Air. Clear Nike check is a large Nike check going across there. Very dope. I like the way that the blue fades there. You see that? It's a little darker here. It fades to a brighter color there up front. And this BPM here that is on both sides is Mr. Brody's initials. So very nice touch, very dope. Man. Whew. This is a dope shoe, man. This is a very dope sneaker, man. But I do need to show you all the right one. Not gonna do that because that would fall. Put him up there. Let's show you all the right one. And here is the right one. The reason I wanted to show you the right one is because it came with an extra set of laces with the blue laces here. Got your Nike bag with your blue laces on the inside. And then the same thing all around. You got your G for the generator. Excuse me, the generator, man. Let me lift that a little bit. Maybe that G. Yeah, that G right there for the generator, man. Man, you got your Brave, of course, on the inside. BPM for Mr. Brody Miller. And that's about it, man. Your red pull strap to put your shoes on. I actually, normally when I go into the Uptempos, I usually go down a size because they're kind of big. I have, if you can see right here on my hand there's 3 boxes of Uptempos. These are the maroons. These are the Olympic ones. And the ones at the bottom are the black and white pair. So the black and white pair is a size 14, which is fine, but it felt like it was a little bit extra room in there. So I was going down with 13s for these 2 and for the UNC pair that I have. I went down a size because it was just a lot of room in the 14s. But when I got the UNC ones, it felt like it wasn't enough room. So I was like, if I get any more Uptempos, I need to go for a 14. So I could have got the 13, but I was like, man, let me go for the 14 in these. And that's what I did, man. And here it is. So get the right one out of here. Bring my left guy back, man. So happy to have these, man. My 3rd pair of DB shoes. Yes, sir, man. These, without a shadow of a doubt, these most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, baby. That's going to do it for this video, man. Not going to throw these on feet at the moment, but I will show you that when I do. Thank you all for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Man, we are getting close. As of this moment, I am at 995 subscribers. The moment is coming. I didn't think this was going to happen this soon. The moment is coming. We are 5 away from 1,000. So thank you all for getting me to this point, man. This is bigger than I even thought that I would get, at this point, man. I can't believe there's nearly 1,000 people that tune in to watch what I'm talking about, man. So humbling, man. It's truly humbling. I truly appreciate it, man. Thanks again. More content is definitely on the way. And I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Thank you, Brody, man. Because these are fire, man. These are dope. Thank you, Mr. Brody Miller, baby. Peace.